Hey guys, this is my favorite brand of toothpaste. I'm so happy to bring it to you today. The two ones I like the most are this blue one, and then they have a pink one, which I'll show you some other time. But this is the Splat Professional toothpaste. Very pretty tube. Let me go ahead and pause this. I'll get a toothbrush. I'll demo it for you. Alright, I'm back with my toothbrush. Here is the enamel restoration Splat. It's very nice. I'm happy about it. It's got a little bit of a seal on front, which is always nice to know you don't have a used tube of toothpaste. Really easy to squeeze. The tube is very firm. So let's go ahead and get just a pea size on there. It's white, plain, no strips of color or anything else. Let me go ahead and give it a go. I can tell you what it tastes like. I like how smooth it goes on. It's not bubbly, it's not gritty, it's very smooth. Just a very subtle mint taste, very subtle. Oh, really good. I really like this toothpaste. I think you might like it too.